In this video we're back on our Taupō series, and in this one we actually go to Taupo Prawn Farm and go and explore the Huka Falls. It's another throwback. I hope you enjoy it. Today was all about exploring at Taupo, and first on the menu, prawns. Yes, we were hungry and we wanted to see the prawn farm, so
we are now at the Huka Prawn Park.
It's not just a prawn farm. From stand-up paddleboards, pedal boats and aqua trikes gliding over the pond to water cannons, trout feeding, hidden interactive trails and picnic spots.
Here's the speedboat, check it out.
Yes, and of course, all the boating activities, a leisure boat ride or the speedboat if that is your thing.
Yeah, pretty insane, that speedboat. It's really fast. So yeah, a lot that you can do here. It's definitely recommended, I would say, for people to come here. Enjoy the prawn. The mas.
Hy wil weer vir 'n uur in die ry kom staan dat hy kan weet wat Jared het.
Is it nice, Levi?
Dit proef is chicken nuggets. It's kind of
Very nice.
And don't forget the Riverside restaurant, the only one of its kind in Taupo, where you can feast on giant freshwater prawns, grilled, butter tossed or in curry while taking in the views over the aqua blue Waikato. Whether you're here for engaging tours, kid-friendly activities, scenic picnic spots or delicious riverside dining, Huka Prawn Park delivers the full day of laughter, learning and unforgettable memories.
Kids just getting ready, and then we'll go and have a look at it and explore it a bit.
Just up the road, not too far away, was the next beautiful tourist attraction, the Huka Falls. What makes this place insane isn't the height, it's the force. The mighty Waikato River, New Zealand's longest river, gets squeezed from 100 meters wide down to 15 meters through a narrow volcanic gorge. That pressure sends over 200,000 liters of crystal clear electric blue water. And when I'm saying electric, it is crazy how it looks. The colors almost don't look real. It's this unreal turquoise color with tiny air bubbles trapped in the water. You can feel the power in your chest just standing on the viewing platform. It's loud, it's dramatic, and it's one of those places that reminds you how wild and alive this volcanic region really is. I think that's what makes Lake Taupo so special for me. There's so many tourist attractions within one area. Within this thermal area, you get heated pools, you get loads of entertainment for the kids, and great areas to go dine out. So it's almost the all-in-one entertainment mecca, and that's why we enjoyed it so much.
You've got to love the color of that water. It's like a very blue, like a almost turquoise kind of color, like glowing blue.
Well folks, This is all I have for you. This is the only footage that I had of this experience. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, and you're still watching, please hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.